how to update TikTok on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Play Store. And once you do that, search for TikTok and navigate there. Now, once you are here, you will see that the button next to TikTok, it says update, meaning there's an available update for the app. Even if we went to this page right here, as you can see, there are two buttons, the uninstall and next to it the install button, but it does not say install as I already have the app. It says update, meaning there's a update that you can download, and all you need to do is just click on the update button and you will get the latest version of TikTok installed on your Android phone. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can update TikTok to the latest version on your Android device. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.